Hello viewers, Apple has released a new update by the name iPadOS 26.6. Let me show you the size of this new update. It is around 2.97 GB, so it is a big update. This update is actually a free update before iPadOS 27. This update will prepare your iPad for next iPadOS 27. That will be a huge upgrade for iPad users. But before updating to the latest version, let me show you the storage scenario. You can see the iPadOS and the system data. So finally I have updated to the latest version of iPadOS 26.6. I think this is one of the greatest updates that you are getting before iPadOS 27 that will come next. But after updating this device, I will show you the HDR capability and also the multitasking and the smoothness. As you can see here, there is no problem in scrolling through apps, and you can open too many apps simultaneously and it will have no problem. As you can see here, too many apps can be opened simultaneously and in the background they will run, and there is no problem whatsoever. I cannot notice any kind of hiccups, lag or anything. After that I will check the HDR capability. Though it can play HDR videos in non-HDR mode, so after this update there is no problem in playing HDR content, and it can play 4K 60 FPS footage. As you can see here, under good Wi-Fi condition you will have a great multimedia experience after this update, that is iPadOS 26.6. After this update I will show you the storage scenario. As you can see here, 54 GB dot 75 GB is available, and you can see iPadOS is 18.6 GB and system data is 16.92 GB. So there is not much difference in storage scenario after this update. And now if I go into the battery section, it is not possible for me to say now about the battery backup that I am getting. I have to use this iPad for a couple of days, only then I can tell you anything about the battery backup or the battery life or any other drainage issue, heating issue, etc. So you have to wait few days to get the full review of this iPadOS 26.6. In that video I will clearly mention about the screen flickering, then I will tell you about the battery drainage, heating issue, scrolling through apps and multitasking. These things will be known in the next video, that is iPadOS 26.6 review video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.